Hi, this is Thomas here at ISE 2023. This is a very unique product I want to show you. It's a KVM station with live video monitoring. So you can see on this side, it's actually a KVM. So there's a multiple level of KVM in here, and you can actually go in and check a different type of computer inputs, and you can switch them in between here. And on this side is live video monitoring. And if you can see, this is a very unique setup. It's very ergonomical. It's one of these ultra wide screens that you only need one display to be able to surround yourself with this curved surface. If you want to find out more about Apantac KVM and KVM multiviewers, please go to www.apantec.com.